Dear student class 8, today I am going to discuss about the important uh, uh, CQ, uh, the first model test of 2020. At first we discussed, I'll discuss both of Mr. A and B are engaged in two important works. Mr. A plays a role in introducing law. This actually it is taken by chapter 7. Both of Mr. A and B are engaged in two important works. Mr. A plays a role in introducing law, and on the other hand, Mr. B implements that law. On the other hand, Mr. B implement that law. At first, we will know. Uh, Question number A: what is constitution? Constitution is a basic document of running the state. Everything about a state is written in the constitution. Number B: why the government is called basic controlling power of the state? Among the four fundamental elements of the state, government is one of them. This is the basic controlling power of the state. As a ship cannot run without an engine, in the same way, state cannot run without a government. Every function of the state is performed by the government. Number C: which department of the government is indicated by the work of Mr. A? Forming the legislative department of the government is indicated by the work of Mr. A. The legislative of Bangladesh is unicameral. Its name is Jatiya Sanshad. It consists of 350 members. Among them, 300 members are elected from 300 constituencies by the direct vote of the people, while 50 more seats is reserved for women. The legislative or the Jatiya Sanshad enact the amend general laws of the country. It also ventilates and express public opinion, control government income and expenditure, formulates and amends the constitution. If any allegation is raised against the president, the legislative takes this into consideration. Beside this, it also plays its role as an guardian of our national exchequer. Taxes are levied and the budget is approved by it. Number D: is it possible to lead a country by the works performed by Mr. A and B mentioned in the stream? Give your own opinion. No, it is not possible to lead a country by the works performed by Mr. A and B mentioned in the stream, because there is another and important organ of the government left, that is executive. To lead a country, these three organ is mandatory. The organ which is entrusted with the administration of the country is called the executive. In a wider sense, executive means the officers and employees who are entrusted with the state's function. In this regard, from the head of the state down to village guards, all are the part of the executive. In the real sense, the executive government, member of the cabinet and officers of the secretariat, the executive administers the country and executes the law passed by the legislature. It maintains the internal law and order in the country. It also maintains relationship with foreign countries. It works for the defense, liberty and sovereignty of the country. You read it more, and because your exam is knocking at the door. Now we discuss chapter 10. CQ. Mr. X brought three women of village with the hope of giving them job. In meantime, when he sold them to an African criminal gang, uh, he was arrested by police and punished. What is social problem? Who are the, at first we want to know who are the, who are juvenile delinquents. Who are juvenile delinquents? Offensive work done by the boys and girls between 7 to 16 years are called juvenile delinquents in Bangladesh, India and Sri Lanka. Next question. Explain the importance of moral education to prevent drug addiction. The importance of moral education is very great to prevent drug addiction. Preventive steps are most fruitful in the resistance to drug addiction, for the emphasis should be given on moral education. The parents and the elderly persons of the family should play an active role to teach children religious and moral values from their early age. The harmful side of drugs and all religious restriction to this effect must be informed to everybody. Number C. Which problem to the women of the society has been indicated in the stem? Explain. The problem, trafficking of children and women of the story has been indicated in the stem. Women and children who have become the victim of trafficking also become the victim of violence. The situation of government and children trafficking is even worse in the South Asia. Many women and children of Bangladesh are being trafficked every year. They are exploited through various inhuman and humiliating works like prostitution, camel joking, etc. Many a time the organs and limbs, etc. of these women and children are sold out. Number D. What should be done to control such crimes by the society? Analyze on the basis of STEM. The society should come forward to prevent violence to women. To prevent violence towards women, the society must take the following steps: enhancing women empowerment programs through adopting activities to educate women, to give allowance to the widows and to function credit program for the women, enacting laws, its proper implementing in accordance with the nature and type of oppression and violence, providing education for both son and daughter of the family to lead a life with moral values, creating mass awareness about women's rights and its associate laws. Number 5. Expanding activities of the organization associate with women rights. Number 6. Giving exemplary punishment to the criminals of creating violence against women. Number 7. The proper implementation of the law on violence against women. For example, the Prevention of Acid Crime Act, the Regulation of Acid Throwing Act, the Dowry Prevention Act, the Family Code Ordinance, the Early Marriage Prevention Ordinance, the Prevention of Terrorism Ordinance, prevention of violence towards women by way of social pressure. So already I complete my lecture on this creative. Now I'm going to next creative. Look, organization 1, the headquarters is in Paris. It has 195 members state at present. Number 2, it was formed on 7th April in 1948. Its headquarters is in Geneva. Number 1, how does UNFPA runs its activities? UNFPA runs its activities through its regional offices located at different parts of the world. explain the program of UNDP in Bangladesh. UNDP has been running different development programs in Bangladesh and helping in its overall development since 1972. UNDP has been helping Bangladesh in eradicating poverty, developing the socio-economic condition of rural areas, women empowerment, establishing good governance and democracy, develop sustainable development. Number C, describe the activities of Organization 2 in Bangladesh. Organization 2, which is World Health Organization, has played a major role in the development of public health in Bangladesh. This organization has made remarkable contribution in the elimination of infectious disease from the country and in the prevention of 6 deadly diseases, namely measles, diphtheria, tetanus, tuberculosis, poliomyelitis, and whooping cough of children. Moreover, WHO is also working to prevent malaria, ensure safe drinking water, improve the sewerage system, and reduce the infant and maternal mortality rate. It has also made notable contribution in controlling cholera and diarrhea. Number D, Organization 1 plays a role to prevent the tradition of Bangladesh, analyze it. Organization 1, given in the context, refers to UNESCO. It has played a major role in preserving the tradition of Bangladesh. The main objectives of UNESCO is to ensure peace and security in the world through increasing cooperation in the field of education, science, culture, and communication. It has put much emphasis on culture-related activities in Bangladesh. Bangladesh joined UNESCO on 27 October 1972. The government formed the UNESCO Commission in 1973. Since then, the organization has been running different programs in the country, and it has played an important role in preserving the tradition of Bangladesh. The 21st February, which is our language martyr day, is uh, recognized worldwide as the International Mother Language Day with the support of UNESCO. Beside, the organization has also extended its support to preserve the Sundarbans and other cultural heritage here, like the 60 Domes Mosque, Shat Gambuz Masjid in Bagerhat, and Paharpur Buddha Bihar in Naugat. Therefore, it can be said that UNESCO has made significant contribution to preserve the tradition of Bangladesh. Number 2, look, next CQ. Scenario 1, Mr. Rabbi is working at the private organization named SEPT. He is working for development of education health of the children who are neglected and deprived of this country. Scenario 2, Mr. Hasnat has success in achieving maximum profit by using advanced agriculture technology with the help of an international organization. At first question, number A, what is the elaboration of UNDP? UNDP stands for United Nations Development Program. Number B, the role of WHO in the protection of public health is unique. Explain. WHO work as a coordinating organization for public health. It started working on 7 April 1948. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. The main objective of the organization is to ensure best health facilities for people of different parts in the world. Number C, which international organization of the textbooks is similar to that of private organization of Mr. Rabbi? Explain. Mr. Rabbi Safe is the esteem is similar of real life UNESCO. UNESCO is a social organization of UN. It stands for the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The organization is responsible for the educational, scientific, and cultural activities of United Nations. It was established in 1946. Its head office in Paris, the capital city of France. Presently, 189 countries are its member. The main objective of UNESCO is to ensure peace and security for the world through increasing cooperation in the field of education, science, culture, and communication. UNESCO has been working with a view to arousing respect for justice, rules of law, and human rights. UNESCO works mainly in four areas: education, science, culture, and communication. Number D, Mr. Hasnath Company is not only helping in agriculture but also in developing uh, standard of living of the people. Uh, Analyze. Mr. Hasnath Company in the steam indicates to FAO. FAO stands for the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. It came into existence in 1945. Now it has 187 member states. The organization has been fighting against poverty around the world. The main objectives of FAO are to ensure food security, agricultural production, and standard life of people by abolishing hunger and malnutrition. Bangladesh is a member state of FAO. It has a branch in Dhaka. FAO has dominant roles in the development of food and agriculture in Bangladesh. Our country is not self-sufficient in food. On the top of that, due to natural disasters, often our crops are damaged, resulting in food crisis. FAO supplies with essential guidelines to the government to come out of this problem. Uh, Apart from these, FAO extends support in food supply, agricultural development, energy emergency situation management. At the same time, the organization extends technical support for small and peripheral farmers who are victim of natural disaster. Now I am discussing about next CQ. A country named A has recently become a developing country from underdeveloped country, but the people of population is much more compared to the size of the country. Thus, the planet development process is being interrupted. Experts believe that if the country can achieve even declared development goals by 25 September 2015, it will be able to overcome this problem. When did UN official establish? UN was established on 24 October 1945. Number B, what do you understand by sustainable development? Sustainable development is a unified concept by which people needs are met without ending the natural resources, no matter how much positive the development process seems, yet it does affect the natural resources to some extent. Sustainable development suggests having focus on these losses while working on the development. Sustainable development is achieved without any loss of the natural resources. For example, to increase the production of food, use of pesticides should be tolerant and moderate. Number C, which even development goals does the STEAM indicate describe? The STEAM indicates Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations with a target of making all the countries in the world poverty free and to ensure balanced socio economical development. The United Nations implemented Sustainable Development Goals, even declared SDG on 25 September 2015. There are 17 goals, 139 targets, and 230 determinants are fixed. Some of the goals are end poverty, end hunger, healthy lives and well-being, inclusive and equitable quality education, gender equality, climate action, economic development, etc. By achieving these goals, SDG targets to have a world of economic, socio-economical development and balanced of the national resources. The country A of the STEAM is a developing country, but the population is much more compared to the size of the government. Thus the planet development process is being interrupted. By achieving the even declared development goals, the country can change its situation. From above discussion, it can be said that the expert suggest A to achieve the goal of SDG. Number D, do you think achieving the goals will bring success to country A? Justify your statement. Yes, I believe achieving the goals mentioned in the STEAM can bring good to the country A. The United Nations declared the SDG project on 25 September 2015 to build a poverty-free world, to build a balanced socio-economical and natural development. Its main objective is to establish a world free of poverty, but it is determined to implement 17 goals. Because of the large population in the world's underdeveloped list, developing countries, it is not possible to implement various plans and projects. SDG help them to play their important role in society and economy by utilizing the population in human resource. Implementing SDG will ensure end of hunger, healthy lives and well-being. Thus, it will help the population to become stronger. Besides, quality education will ensure their skill as for human resource. But these human resource industries, inventions, and sustainable cities will be built, helping to develop socio-economic condition. By increasing the use of natural resource, economic solvency can be increased. Thus, we can say the SDG will bring good to country A. So you read more this CQ, and if you have any problem, please contact with me.